All right, guys, it's now 3:18 p.m. I'm pulling up in Potomac right now to my last stop for the day. And so far, we got $700 in the kitty, and that's good. I know our path is, and the journey is to get to 100,000, whether that's saved or just earned or whatever the case may be. You know, before taxes, after taxes, who cares? The goal is just to get there, right? You deal with all that as you go. But I think one thing that I don't want to forget is the small milestones. So whether that's each 1,000 and checking that off the list till you get to that, it's no different than like doing push-ups or something like that. But I want to make sure that on your journey that you're also marking off those small victories. The main goal is the 100,000, but you know, these small victories, it's not nothing to kind of scoff at. Like, you know, be proud of that. Be proud of getting there. But we're going to head into here. I think this one is a 77-inch LG OLED. Just going to throw this up. Then we're going to conceal the wires. And that should be another 2. But I'll check in, you know, during and after. All right, 77. LG. That worked.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
It's official. Okay, people, that's another day in the books. This was 2. I forget where we at. I think now we're at 900 in for the day. But yeah, man, the grind don't stop. And path to 100K. We're gonna get there one way or another. So also, you can install doorknobs. You can install window treatments. You could be doing nails, hair, makeup. You know, just find something. I'm in the service industry, but I feel like this can apply to anything that you want to do. And specifically, I like this whole term of solopreneur. Yes, entrepreneurship is great, wonderful. But solo, a lot of times when people do start businesses, whether it's official or not, you're by yourself, you know what I'm saying? And you're starting it just you. You are solo in this endeavor. So just stay at the grind. You know, I don't care if your service is $50 a stop or $50 a pop, $20 a pop. It doesn't matter. It adds up. It adds up. It adds up. And become great at it. Become great at it. Become the best at it. Heisman worthy for it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. That's the philosophy that I have with it. Just become great at one thing. People always ask me if I do other stuff. No, I just stick to what I love and I stick to what I'm good at, and I try to get better. But anyway, day 2's in the books. We'll check in again tomorrow. Peace.